Nouns, Episode 6. Countable and uncountable nouns. Dear children, all are fine? Yeah, what can you see in this picture? The picture of a kitten is there and the picture of what also there. Now, can you count and tell me how many kittens are there? Yeah, only one kitten is there. Can we count the number of water? No, we cannot count the water in numbers. Now we understood what we are going to learn today? Yeah, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that we can count. For example, teacher. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count. For example, food. Dear children, now all of you know what's a countable noun and what's an uncountable noun. Let's play a game. Are you ready for that? Yeah. I will give you one words and you have to tell me, is it a countable noun or an uncountable noun? The first word is juice. Can we count juice? No. So it's an uncountable noun. All of you are fond of toys, isn't it? Our next word is toys. Is it a countable or uncountable noun? Yeah, it's a countable noun because we can count it. Dear children, I love my mama so much. Do you love your mama? Yeah, our next word is love. Can we count love? No. So it's an uncountable noun. The next word is horse. Can you say, is it a countable noun or an uncountable noun? Yeah, it's a countable noun. The next word is the favorite thing of all of you. Can you see in this picture? Yeah, butter. Can we count butter? No. So it's an uncountable noun. The next one also a favorite food of most of you. Can you say what's it? Yeah, eggs. Is it a countable noun or an uncountable noun? Yeah, it's a countable noun. All of you like to play in rain? Our next example is rain. Can we count rain? No. So it's an uncountable noun. Dear children, what did we learn today? Yeah, countable and uncountable nouns. What's mean by a countable noun? Countable nouns are the nouns that we can count, and uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count. Did you enjoy today's episode? All of you want to get more videos like this? Yeah, if you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye dears.